Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. This is my another video about Forex. I think I made already few videos, same subject, and that is Forex. It's very important because it looks like a small word, Forex, trading, but it's not. It is very hard and it is very tough because this Forex trade daily $7 trillion. So it's not a small market. It's not a small market. And its market starts from Japan, Tokyo, to Singapore, to London, to Frankfurt. I'm talking about the leading mark and the New York finish. And this is cycle. It started from Japan late on Sunday and started. Now you just imagine Japan, Tokyo time and London time. And then London time to New York. So it's almost a 24-hour circle. And then it finished on Friday, 8 p.m., New York. So this is very international subject, and many people, I saw many people just to say, oh, you do trade and showing all the charts, and I'm not mentioning the name, but it looks like showing the chart. The important about the gravity of the market. It's not a small market that just I'm selling something in London or something in New York or something in Tokyo. It's not. It's all related. Some people say me, what is your best currency pair? I would say the best currency pair is this Euro and Canadian dollar. Again, best currency pair in my opinion is Euro and Canadian dollar. And best currency is British pound and the American dollar pair. There are other currencies all over the world, and this currency we call this core currency and we call the tropical currency. The core currency is British pound, Euro, and American dollar, and Japanese yen, and Swiss franc. This is the main core currency, and then there is a lot of fear of about this, we call this tropical currencies. And on that, there is a two kind of accounts normally open with the broker, the trader, independent traders, and also multi-billion pound institutional trade. So sometimes the competition between the millions of independent traders versus few institutional traders like hedge fund and the investors or banks. So there is a two party. One is a buyer, one is a seller, one is a seller, one is a buyer. But the big party is competition in a very tight way. number one like hedge fund. They deal or trade billions of, and then there is banks and big mutual funds and big insurance companies. So this is this, and versus millions of independent small traders or investors. Many may be a small tiny deposit or tiny fund, and then there is the risk about that, the how much deposit. Some even 500 times, 800 times, and even I saw in offshore countries they have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 times more about this, ratio 1 is to 3,000 or 1 is to 2,000 or 1 is to 1,000, and the 1 is to 600, 500. So this is a very risky that if the trade gone against, so this is finishing, these things. Leverage is so high of the leverage. This. That how much leverage, how much one put a capital, and then how much the leverage is gone. And if this trade go against, then what happened? This small tiny capital deposit. And then there is a two types of accounts that open in some people. One is called spread betting. This is the maximum the people in a forex spread betting. There is one is a buying price and one is a selling price. One is a selling price, one is a buying price, and there is a small difference. When the broker or the main broker, they give you a price on the chart. Because this is the price of the buy, this is the price of the sell with. So this is the two, one buy, one sell. Now, I think I have other video I have spoken about the MT4 and MT5, and also some of the about the chart and about some of the candles. Now, also I have spoken my other video about the risk management, but still this is only few things. Again and again and again I have to repeat, or if I make someone in a brief or short way or in a small note way that what is salient features of forex trading that one can learn in a simple way, then this is important, and this is very important. But the important about this, I normally learn or study or analyze a lot about the candlestick. And candlestick, it is very important. Until 1985, it was very unknown to Western world, though it is about 100 years using in Japan, in agriculture, grain and others. And one of the gentlemen named Nick Leeson, he brings this candlestick from Japan and he wrote a book about the candlestick. And he mainly, you can say, viral nowadays or more on the Western world like America and Europe and especially in London, all the broker and trader or all the exchanges, either in stock exchange or foreign exchange, the people they aware of the candlestick. So it is not long. If it is 1985, it is, I read this is a mid of the 1990s. So, if it is mid, then 1985. So, if it is 1985, Nick Leeson introduced the candlestick from Japan. So, it's about, there is 15 years and here is a 2021, is a 20 and 50, 35, and it's about 35, 36 years. Western world, no. But one of the important things is what is the difference between a candlestick chart and the bar chart? It's not that much different. It's not that much different, the bar chart and candlestick chart. The candlestick, because I am not going to that, the candlestick is like, suppose this is a water, this is a candle. So, in this is the candle, and on this candle, there is here is a wick, is like the thread. So, the wick is something, this is. So, this is the body of the candle. So, here to here is the body, and then again there is a wick. So, in the bullion candle, the bullion candle, it starts from here and it go all to do by, the buying candle, it start here is a long candle and it up, here finish and wick here. So, this is the end and this is the beginning of a candle, and this is called, what is called green candle or buy candle. So, what is this? Candle 1 is a wick, then the beginning and the body, then this is the end and the wick. So, end of the trade, this is the finish of this day. Now, about the selling candle or the, you can say the beer candle or you can say the red candle, it starts from here and it finished going and finished end of the day here, the bottom. So, what is the difference between? This is the red candle start here, finish here, or sell candle start here and finish here, and the buy candle start here and finish here. So, these two kind of candle is the main, the green candle or blue candle and red candle. Now, then is coming, today I read a book about the some other book there, like this book one. One of the candle is very important called hammer candle. So what is hammer? Hammer, like this hammer, the builder hammer, that there is a long stand and end there is a small hammer there. So what is hammer handle? That long board, long stand is a small, tiny, and then there is a, look like a hammer, So this hammer is really a signal or this handle showing something happen. If it is going like hammer, again hammer, then it go blue like that, it's a go down, is a very thing. Another candle called morning star. This candle is another. It's same like long stick and the bottom there is a little fat body, So it's we call morning star. So harami, morning star, evening star. Then another candle is very important called dose. This is a candle and small, and middle of the candle is this is a thin. and this is the here, there is a little bit fatty, and this is also thin. So it is indecision that this candle or this situation, what happened next? Because it is in the middle, that means the bull and bear fighting. The bull trying to go up and the bear trying to go down. So bull and bear fighting, and middle of the candle is stuck like that. So it is clear that strength of the both parties. Suppose two party fighting. So strength of the both party, bull and bear fight, and both are equal. So we call dozi. Dozi means, D-O-Z-I, not D-O-D-Z. That means indecision. Another candle we call engulf. Engulf bull and engulf bear. That means there is a two candle. Suppose this is the red candle, and next candle, if it is here and here is the green, and this candle is within this next candle of the red, then this is a bull engulf. And if it is a red candle and next candle is green and get in, so we call the bullish, the candle. So there is two types of candle of engulf, is a bull engulf or bear engulf. And then many other, there are other this now about the going to the lower, upper, or higher, lower, higher. So in this situation, someone can understand that what would be happen about the next candle, like a head and shoulder. This is my head and shoulder, and this is my head and shoulder. This is my head and shoulder. So a price coming this way, that means is up, and this coming go, and there staying few days or few hours or few days, and then coming down, and then here, and then what happened? It goes down, and that is simple. We call head and shoulder. I explain again. This is my left hand. So it in the picture it is my right hand. I know. So this is going to up. Here come this price, and then my shoulder. Few days or few hours, the price is holding this position, and then it suddenly go up. Then here maybe few days or few hours staying, and then suddenly going down up to here. The same balance. My previous shoulder position, it come here, and it stayed here, and here when it stayed few days. A few hours price. Then what happened? It cannot go it going down, and that is called head and shoulder. So I think I explaining it look like a child play, or I explaining is look like it's so easy peasy just to observe the behavior of the candle and the situation of the chart. Now another thing, I think I have double bottom. What is double bottom? Is my like bottom here. So in this here, then coming little bit curve, then going down, then again this curve, and then go up, and again like this thing. So this is the people who name of the curve or name of the candles or name of the charts or name of the bar, there are many reasons, or it's very simple. When somebody say head and shoulder, so one can understand that how look like this uh, uh, the chart. When somebody say head and shoulder, so that means there is a shoulder here and there is a head here. And then imagine what is happening head and shoulder. Or somebody say double bottom, how this happening. If somebody say the hammer, so how the hammer is happening. Hammer is, you know, it can be turned, swing something danger. And if somebody said dozy means that is, it is such a indecision of a candle that bull and bear fight and they stop in the middle of the candle. Or somebody say is a morning star, that means something in the morning good, so something happens. Somebody say rising star, so this is engulfing, that means somebody is something grabbing or eating. So its name can understand that what is the meaning of the candle and what would be happen if a bull eating a bear, then what happens? That means bull is stronger. So a candle, a red candle, if eaten by a green candle totally in the stomach or belly, then what happens? That means the red candle is weak or finished, and then the jumping, the green candle, and that is the bull engulf. Same way, if a red candle eaten by a green candle and finished, then what happened? Sorry, a green candle eating by a red candle, that means the green or the bull is finished and the bear is winning, so is going to serious maybe happen, the falling down of the market or falling down of the price. So I think I have spoken the such a serious thing about the people who making all blackboard or my laptop. I can show you this video here that this is the chart is going on. This is the chart of a broker, and you look, this is jumping and jumping. This is the thing, but I just explained as a simple word or a simple example that this there is about say 23 to 25 the candles, or the bar chart also same position, where is start, where is end, where is this the position, this is the thing, and one must know about these things, ain't no doubt about these things. So I will speak about slowly. I will speak more about more risk management and more strategy. And that is a more strategy coming. I will speak about how this strategy can buy and sell same time, and this backwardation and all those things, or contango. So I'll speak more about in future videos, and please, I said every video that please you subscribe, like and share, then I will make a more inspiring video, because I have all these books of this forex and finance and alternative investment and Kaya and CFA and CCA and STA, Society of Technical Analysis, and CMT, and all those books and all those things. So I will make more video. I will more concentrate on the forex finance money in consulting and investing and insurance and personal finance and cryptocurrency. This is my genre, and I will make more these things. I also speak about more on mortgage etc, and more on forex, and more on affiliate marketing, and more on YouTubing, and more on blogging. Everybody be safe, and please you subscribe my YouTube channel and the bell button, and you subscribe please.